Good morning, everybody. It's Pope Binary here, and today I'm going to give you a short video on a strategy that I find wins about 86% of the time based on roughly a 350 sample size of mine that I have. It's very successful, and I strongly recommend you guys use it in your own strategy. So before we jump into it, here's the quote of the day. Much depends upon beginning at exactly the right time. It took me years to realize this. It also cost me some hundreds of thousands of dollars, from Jesse Liverpool there. So without much further ado, let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so this is just a strategy that I've found to be consistently tried and true, and it's a pattern that I look for all the time, especially when we are in bearish markets. And it's really rather quite simple. So all I look for is I look for a bullish run, and then I look for a support level, and then I'm look for a huge engulfing bearish candle. And I mean, it has to break the last 5, 6, 7, 8 candles in terms of size. And so this huge engulfing candle, that just gives the dead giveaway that the market, at least in the next 5-10 minutes, is going to continue downwards on my path. And when I was first starting out as a trader, one of the biggest things I had an issue with, I would be placing, I kid you not, I'd place upwards of 50 trades a day, trying to figure out how to read the markets. I would jump in at every opportunity, and it's a big problem I had. So if you guys find you're having issues like this, honestly, what I did to fix that is I told myself, no matter what, I would take 3 trades bare minimum, 15 trades per week max, and I would record each and every trade and tell myself why I took that trade. I know that's going to sound like a lot of work, and you're going to be like, but Pope Binary, there's so much out there, right? You can make so much money a day doing this if you can catch all the opportunities. And I'm going to be honest, I don't look for all the opportunities anymore. I look for the opportunities. And this pattern that I'm showing you, this bearish pattern, this is just one of them. And it happens all the time, whether we see it like right here, how there'd been like a long bearish move, there'd been an extended period of support, and then out of nowhere there was just a big bearish engulfing candle shattering the support line right here. It continued down. It happened right here. There's the consolidation movement. There's a huge. This one wasn't necessarily an engulfing candle. This red candle right here, but it continued downward. Up here, there's a consolidation candle. This red candle was a bearish engulfing candle, and it continued downward. These are just, and as we can see, these happened like early this morning, right? This is over like 12, 13 hours ago from my time now. And I just want to let you guys know, if you're struggling to find patterns in which are consistently tried and true, just wait for setups like this. I call it, like, I don't really know how to describe it, but the fact that there's a gap between this bearish candle and this bullish candle just indicates that there had been a long period of indecision in the market, and then the market is going to rocket in a certain direction. And I don't know what else to call it. Like, we can see it right here, right? There had been a support, there had been a pin candle followed by a small candle, followed by an extensively large bearish engulfing candle. And the market plummeted from there. It was all the way down to here at one point. You should have, honestly, placing a take profits is one of my things that I really like when I place in the money safe trades like this, because it's just, for me, it's just like, if you use Nadex, for me, it's just like it's insurance. You pay, if you get the max profit right, you pay $8 to say my money is guaranteed no matter what. And to me, that is no price to pay at all, considering you can turn $100 or you can turn $70 into $90 and pay a $10 fee in order to ensure that. That's no biggie for me. So I really do believe in take profits when it comes to in the money trades. And so, yeah, just watch out for these patterns in which there's a long bullish run followed by a bearish candle followed by a large bearish engulfing candle out of nowhere. And these happen all the time. Like right here, this one, there was one right here. There had been a long bullish run right here. There had been a bearish engulfing candle that shattered the last 7 or 8 candles, and then the market pushed down. It's hard to see with this yellow line here, but as we can see here, the market continued to push down. And just look out for this. I don't know. I don't find it to be reliable when it comes to bullish candles when it comes to after a long run, especially considering these had been bearish markets. Bullish, I don't know. If what I'm trying to say is, if you see a long bearish run followed by a strong bullish candle, unless it's at like a a whatchamacallit, a double bottom like we see here. If you don't know what a double bottom is, check out the other videos on my channel. I explain that in a few of them. But a double bottom, right? If I see an engulfing candle at a double bottom, I'll go ahead and bet up, but I don't just bank off double bot or engulfing candles at the bottom of a large run because I don't find them reliable. However, on bearish runs, I just find them to be extremely reliable. So always use this. Like I said, my number one rule is follow the overall direction of the market and use demo money before you use real money. Just because I'm telling you this is my strategy, for all you know, I could just be making this up. You guys need to try this out on your own. You need to be able to identify these situations, and this is just something that I really do think you guys can use really well. So please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. It really does help me. It really does bring out me wanting to make more videos like this. And so this is just Pope Binary with another video. I hope to see y'all in the future. Catch y'all later.